This is 7th grade, Coles and James, 5 people you meet in heaven test. This is pages 1 through 38. Make sure you click the mark as done button when you are complete. Number 1, we meet Eddie on what day? More than one answer can be correct. A, July 4th. B, Memorial Day. C, his birthday. D, the last day of his life. Number 2, where does Eddie work? Number 3, what is the name of the ride that kills Eddie? A, Daredevil Drop. B, Rock and Roller Coaster. C, Lover's Leap. Or D, Freddy's Free Fall. Number 4, what is Eddie's job? Number 5, what was Eddie's brother's name? A, Mike. B, Joe. C, Jack. Or D, Dom. Number 6, what was the name of the worker that worked at the pier with Eddie? A, Dom. B, Mike. C, Chris. Or D, Luke. Number 7, what does Eddie give Dominica's to take to Mexico? Number 8, what is the name of Eddie's love we are briefly introduced to? A, Marguerite. B, Maggie. C, Lou. D, Mary. Number 9, what does the little girl ask Eddie to make her? Number 10, how old was Eddie when he died? A, 80. B, 83. C, 90. D, 92. Number 11, I want you to use at least 5 complete sentences to describe how Eddie dies. Number 12, what does the author use to show us glimpses of Eddie's life? A, flashbacks to Eddie's birthdays. B, preview into the future. C, people telling stories about Eddie. D, none of the above. Number 13, when Eddie arrives to his first place, where is he? Number 14, describe how Eddie feels when he arrives at his first place. Again, use at least 5 complete sentences. Number 15, who is the first person Eddie meets in heaven? Is it A, his dad, B, the little girl, C, the blue man, or D, his mom? Number 16, what does the blue man tell Eddie about heaven? On this one, use at least 2 complete sentences. What does the blue man tell Eddie about heaven? Number 17, who does the blue man say was responsible for killing him? Number 18, write a 5-sentence review of how you feel about the story so far. Okay, numbers 19 through 28, your word bank, this is propaganda styles. Slogans, testimonials, bandwagon, stereotyping, glittering generalities, scare tactics, guilt by association, propaganda, target audience, and product characters. Number 19, the suggestion that everybody is using the product and that you should too in order to be part of the group. Number 20, an advertising technique to get people to buy a product. Number 21, the group of people that a product is designed for. Number 22, words that sound patriotic, attractive, and catchy, but don't really mean anything. They make something sound more important than it really is. Number 23, short phrases that are used over and over. Number 24, implies that the friends or relatives of those who fail or do wrong must also be failures or wrongdoers. Number 25, uses commonly held but oversimplified or unfair images of a group to make a point. Number 26, advertisements in which a celebrity endorses a product. Number 27, fictional people and cartoon animals or characters that are used in advertisements over a long period of time. Number 28, describes possible negative effects with strong and unsupported images that make people act out of fear instead of reason. In your last page, you're going to match the names of the following persuasive techniques with their definitions. Write the letter in the space provided. Your word banks are going to be A, bandwagon repetition. I'm not sure if that's correct. B, testimonial. C, glittering generalities. D, bait and switch. E, emotional word. F, transfer. Yeah. Okay, so number 29. People are attracted by the advertisement of a low-priced product or service, but are then encouraged to buy a higher-priced one. Number 30. People are drawn to a cause or agree to join an organization or club that is popular because they are persuaded to follow the crowd rather than use evidence to justify their choice. Number 31, people are persuaded to buy a product or service because it is associated with something attractive or respectable. Number 32, people are persuaded by specially chosen words that can have many different positive or negative meanings because the words are deliberately linked to widely and highly valued concepts. Number 33, people are persuaded to buy a product or service by its connection to a famous or respectable person through quotations or endorsements. And your last one, number 34. People are conditioned to remember or persuaded to buy...
Rachel Little to the office, please.
Sorry about that. Last one, number 34. Let's read it again. People are conditioned to remember or persuaded to buy a product or service by repetition of the name of the product or service. That's the end of your test. Make sure you click Mark as Done when you're through. There's a button that says Mark as Done. Thank you.